Back in 2018, the Kenyan government banned logging in the country. Little did we know that more than 1.6 million students in Kenya rely on this illegal logging for them to get a meal in their schools. With this logging, there's been an increased pressure for schools to be able to cook their foods and ensure that these students can access a meal and remain in school. Today, that's why we come in. We're introducing the first ever solar cooking boiler for these schools. Our technology is very easy, whereby we rely on solar energy to ensure that these schools can cook year-round for their students. At the end of the day, from the money these schools are saving, they will be used to improve the learning systems. My name is Justin Abuga from Ecobora, and together we can ensure that students don't have to make a choice between food and education. Thank you.